Have you ever wondered where the rain and snow goes after reaching earth? Rainwater flows as streams. It fills the ponds, lakes and rivers. It falls into the sea and oceans. The snow falls on mountains and then later melts into water. This water flows down the mountains in the form of streams and rivers. Thus, most of the water received from the sky finally flows into oceans sooner or later. Not all the rainwater flows into the rivers and ultimately into oceans. Some of it is absorbed by the soil as well. This water is known as groundwater. Groundwater is the source of water for many lakes and wells. Hand pumps and tube wells tap this source to provide water for consumption. However, overuse of groundwater has led to the depletion. As a result, we need to dig deeper and deeper to locate the groundwater. In areas with little or no vegetation, the topsoil is loose and gets washed away by rainwater. Such areas got covered with concrete. As a result, there is a reduced seepage of groundwater into the ground. This also continues to the reduction in groundwater. In our country, most of the rainfall occurs during June, July and August. It gives us relief from the hot and humid summer. Sowing of many crops depends on monsoon. But what will happen if it rains heavily? Excessive rainfall leads to rise in the water level of ponds, lakes and rivers, causing them to overflow. Such an overflow of these water bodies beyond their normal limits is known as floods. Floods destroy crops and cause damage to property and life. During floods, the animals living in the water also get carried away with water. They often get trapped on land areas and die when flood water recedes. Rain also affects the animal living in the soil. Floods triggered by heavy monsoon rain are an annual feature in India. Have you ever thought what will happen if it does not rain for a very long period? When it does not rain for a very long period, then the soil continues to lose water by evaporation and transpiration. The level of water in ponds and wells goes down and some water bodies dry up. The groundwater also depletes. Prolonged periods of deficient water supply cause drought. Water can be obtained from the natural sources only. A very small fraction of the total water available on earth is fit for use by plants, animals and human beings. The demand for usable water is increasing with the rising population. As a result, shortage of water is acute in various parts of the world. The scarcity is only likely to worsen in the coming years. So, we as responsible inhabitants of Mother Earth must conserve water and use it judiciously.